In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Changing your defaults is one of the first things you should do to make your new device feel more comfortable. Begin by opening App Gallery and download your favorite apps you wish to switch with your current defaults. In my case, Opera browser. With all of your apps ready, go into Settings and scroll to hit Apps and Services. Then hit Default Apps here. Tap on one of those sections you wanna manage, in my case Browser app, and tap on an app you want to apply as your new default. Last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. To manage all of them, select More and change all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!